day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HUAWEI Band 10. And again, we are here to test, to try, and have a demo of some of its smart features. And one of the features that we would like to have a demo or video review is the health monitoring function, particularly the heart rate monitoring. So this wearable do have an option for the heart rate monitoring. Let me show it to you. So we do have here the heart rate. We also have here the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. So we will check on the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. And of course, the result will be compared also with the previous band of HUAWEI, the HUAWEI Band 9. It is also equipped with a heart rate monitor. We have here the heart rate monitor as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. So we'll check this and we'll compare the two fitness tracker. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring function of the HUAWEI Band 10. Here on the support app, the HUAWEI Health, so there's an option. We do have an option here for the health monitoring. So you can set here the heart rate to continuous heart rate monitoring, or you can also disable it. So let's try first the continuous heart rate monitoring. There's also an alert here. You can also set this, change. So 120 beats per minute. For the lowest is 40 beats per minute. Automatic blood oxygen monitoring. We also have here sleep, breathing awareness, and other features here. Okay, so far that is the options for the heart rate. So this one, we do have the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. You still have to download the separate package. So we'll not try this one. Instead, we'll focus on health monitoring, heart rate, and compare it with the HUAWEI Band 9. Okay, so let's start with the heart rate monitoring. So I'm going to wear this properly to avoid any issues with the results. Remember, our heart rate monitor is set to continuous heart rate monitoring. We'll also have a separate video for this heart rate monitoring compared with a fingertip pulse oximeter. Press. Let's go with the heart rate. Then agree. So let's see. We do have here 76 beats per minute. Okay, let's adjust first the screen display here. Display, tap to wait. We'll make it 20 seconds. Tap to wait. Screen on. Sleep. 20. Yes. And that's it. Again. Heart rate. Still on the 70 range. We do have 75 here. 76. So the lowest here is 73 and the highest is 81. Do have 77. Okay, so this is continuous, so it will not stop. Let's go with the support app here, and let's check on the health function here. So heart rate, so we do have here 79 beats per minute. So we don't have the resting heart rate yet. We do have the heart rate. Again, let's try to synchronize. Syncing. So let's wait for it to finish the synchronization. Okay, so we have here the 78 beats per minute, but we don't have the results here for the high heart rate. Okay, but we do have the range here, 73 to 81 beats per minute. On the fitness tracker, okay, as you can see here, 73 to 81. We do have the record here. We also have here the graph. As you can see, we don't have the resting heart rate yet. And let's see if this will show the average. Not yet. Okay, so 78. Then let's go with the HUAWEI Band 9. So we do have here the HUAWEI Band 9. I'm going to wear this properly and we'll see the result. Okay, so we have here the HUAWEI Band 9. Tap on it. Let's see. So 83. Let's see if they will have the same results here. So 78 bits per minute. Again, this is the HUAWEI Band 9 and the HUAWEI Band 10. As you can see, they almost have the same result, and now they have the same results. 78, 77, okay, 75 here, 75, the same, 74, 72. Yes, they have the same results here for the heart rate monitoring. When it comes to speed, and it's just the same. Maybe they're just using the same sensor, but I'm pretty sure the HUAWEI Band 10 to have an upgraded algorithm for its heart rate monitoring. Okay. Seems like the HUAWEI Band 9 provide a much faster results, I think. Okay. What do you think? So 73, let's see. 74, 74, 73. I think it's the HUAWEI Band 10 to provide a much faster results compared to the HUAWEI Band 9. As you can see, 72 followed by our HUAWEI Band 9. So 75. So just a minor difference when it comes to the results here. Okay. Then next, let's proceed with the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's tap on the blood oxygen. Agree, agree, and measure. 18 seconds, 17, 15, 14. The same count as you can see here. And we have the results here right away. 96%. We have 97%. Just a minor difference, but seems like the Band 9 do have a much faster results. Again, let's have a monitoring. – 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and we have the results right away here. For the Huawei Band 9, for the Huawei Band 10, we have the results. It's always +1 for the Huawei Band 10 compared to our Huawei Band 9. But the Huawei Band 9 provide a much faster results when it comes to the blood oxygen monitoring. Again, for the heart rate, 77, 76, 75. Seems like we do have a different results here. And now it's synchronizing. 76, 77, now the same. 74, just a minor difference setting. +1, -1. Okay. So that's it for the health monitoring, particularly the heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring of our Huawei Band 10, comparing it with the Huawei Band 9. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.